Hey you guys, what's up? So, this is the property that I have that is out of town. Everything that I do, because I'm not there, I use cameras. So, I kept getting all these notifications on my camera, and I'm like, what is going on? I already had a water emergency. I think I posted it before, where you saw the guy, literally, the water was like coming out of the hole. Trying to see where the man is standing at, like in front of my property. It was a hole, but so if you can see, it's still like a bunch of ice on the ground. They kept slipping, and so I was talking to them, and I was like, "Hey, do y'all got any salt in y'all truck?" And the guy was like, "Yeah." I was like, "Can you put some salt down for me?" I mean, it was nice just to ask, and he was like, "Sure." So I was super excited, stoked that he was able to do this. I'm like, oh my gosh. So you see him, he literally is putting salt on my front and he's throwing it. So I'm really excited that he did that. Yay. It was like, that's how I felt. Like, you see that? That's how I felt. So then he went back, and the house that's next to me, well, the land that's next to me, I would say, is all land. It's like space. And you see they're digging. So what I think, they said they were from like one of the utility companies. So I'm assuming that someone either sold the land or they decided to build. Because when I first bought my house, I wanted to buy that land next to me because it was open space. And I was like, oh, well, once I fix it, they can go over there. But I'm assuming that they wanted to keep it, and this is the result. So I guess they're getting the utilities cut on so they can get everything going. But this was just my property. But thanks, guys.